So this is the second part of the lecture. First part, we how to set up router information protocol, and this is the second lecture in that part. And this one, I'm going to go over just showing you from a big perspective on the routers. For instance, for example, what we have here is we have offices. So each one of these squares represents an office. An office you might work in, an office in your company, etc. And you probably have seen them before, maybe in each office or each building, if you will. You can call it a building as well. Maybe it's a campus, maybe they're shared office area suites, right? And the company has in the building they have all these, what is it, 246 uh, 246 offices in the building, and they want to connect their internetwork or their network to each other. So they very well could use RIP, Router Information Protocol, to do that actually. So this is how they would do that, right? So let's say in each one of these, this room here or this office here, it has a computer and a switch and a router, right? And let's double click on that router, and I want to show you what I've done. So each one of these routers, you have to tell it the network. So I basically called this network 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in the routing table, I'll show you what it looks like really kind of here. In the routing table, I had to tell it all about these 6 networks that it knows about, right? So in the command line, if I were to go in and I want to know, is it being published? Is the is RIP being published? So let's do this. We'll go show IP route. So what that's going to tell us is this router right here. What routes does it know about? Right? What routes does it know about? So it knows about the 2 network. It knows about the 3 network and the 4 network. Okay, that's good. And it knows about itself, of course, because it's one network. So it knows about 1 through 4. So it knows about this one, this one, this one, and this one. It doesn't know about 5 or 6. So the same should hold true that this router here will know about these 4, but it won't know about these 2. So let's find out actually. So it has all of the routes in there that it should know about those. Probably just doesn't. Let's see here. Let's exit here. Exit. Exit. Okay. Get some real estate here. So we're going to type in show IP route. Okay. What does it know about? Oh, it knows about 1. I'm surprised. It knows about 2. Okay. It knows about 5. Or rather, it knows about 4, excuse me. So it knows 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's for itself. Is it 4? It should be for itself. Well, we can find out. So we can type in show IP protocols. Okay. So what are we? We are, oh, I'll just, okay. So the router, this default, oh, it knows, okay, so it's 2 different networks, right? Yeah, sorry. So 2 different networks. It's 5 network and it's a 3 network because we have the interface for this one here is going to 3 and this one's going to 5. So it knows those 2 networks, right? So let's type that other command again, show IP route. So it knows about the 5 because it's going here. It knows about the 4, which is over here, probably from here, right? It knows about it from here. And then it knows about 2, which is this one here, via 5. So 5, so let's see, it knows about 1 via 3, and this is 3 here, okay? This is the interface right here. It knows about 2 via 5, 1, 2, 2. So 5, 1, 2, 2 is right here. So it knows about 2 from here. So this router here knows about number 2, so that's how it knows there. It knows about the 4 network via the 5, which is the same thing right here. Yeah, so it knows about this one right here. Okay, and okay, what else? It's connected to 5. This one here is 5120 network, or 5 network, and of course it's already connected to the 5 network. It's connected to the 3 network, is directly connected to 010, which is here, this port right here. That's how it knows about this network here. Yeah, so that's great. Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, yeah, fantastic. Just an idea of how it works. So let's look at this 6 network down here. I'm going to type in router. I'm sorry, no, show IP route. Right. Okay. So what are we looking at? We're looking at this. So router 1 via 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think 4111 is this route right here, or this interface right here. I think that's it. It knows about 2 from 4111 via here. It knows about 3 network via the 5121, which is this one right here, or this interface right here. And it's connected to the 4 network, which is this is the 4 network. And of course, it's connected to the 5 network, which is itself. Cool. Let's check on our 4 network, number 4 network. Okay, so here's the 4 network right here. This one right here, that one, right? Okay, so the 4 network R, which is RIP, so it's 1 network via 2111, which is this interface right here, I think. So the 1 network it knows about via 211, which is the same one here. It's connected to the 2 network, which is this one. It knows about the 3 network, which is this one right here, via the 211 network right here. So it knows about that, right? And then it knows about the 4 network is directly it is the 4 network, right? So yeah. And let's go over to the 2 network. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so we'll do show IP route, right? Same thing here. So the route RIP via 1. Okay, this interface right here, or yeah, this one right here, connected to 1, 2, which is this one right here. The 2 network, which is it's a 2 network. The 3 network it knows via 1112, which 1121, which is this interface right here. And finally the 4 network via the 2112, which is this network right, or this interface right here, or this interface. I think which one it is. I think it's this one here. So yeah. Here's another fantastic command. Let's type show IP router information protocol, which is RIP, and let's go database. Okay, so what it's telling you is if you know like SQL or Oracle, anything like that, you'll kind of understand this, right? So think of a router as like nothing more than it's a person. I'm sorry, yeah. Well, you could think of a routing information protocol. Any protocol really is just a person. They have a sheet in front of them, right? And they say, okay, I need to connect from here to here, right? And it's maybe like you remember watching TV and you see the old time individuals doing the switching or routing. Basically, they'll unplug the cable from one port, right, and they'll plug it into another. Essentially, what they're doing is they're routing a call. They used to do it way back before AT&T had their switches. But what they're doing is they're routing a call. It's no different than here, right? And so those, I call it, I don't know, telephone operator people, right? They have like a sheet that they know about. It's a database, right? That's nothing. That's very similar to what we're talking about here. This is pretty much the same thing, right? It's kind of it's older technology, but it's the concept's basically the same. And that the show IP RIP database, right? You're going to see this router here knows about all these other this database is the RIP database, and that's what you see, right? So all your protocols really all they are is like it's like I want to know. It's telling every protocol, right? A lot of them, right? Really, for the most part, want to know where do we, what's the next hop? I have this traffic. I need to send somewhere else. I have this data, right? It's destined for somewhere. It has a header. Let's see, a source IP, destination IP, or what header, yeah, right. And it needs to go somewhere. Okay, so the router said, okay, oh, I know about that. I know about that route. Yeah. Okay, let me set it over here, right? For instance, like, oh, okay, hey, this file here is destined for down here, right? Let's say around here, down over here on network 6 from network 1. The file goes, then it goes to the router, and the router says, oh, you know what? I I know how to get there. Let's see, do I take here or do I take here? Yeah. And it'll know based on the path. Like it'll know like a lot of like open shortest path first. That's OSPF or BGP. That's a little different, of course, but it's gonna know. Okay, the cost. It's gonna know. Okay, I need to go. I need to go this way and then go down to this. To the destination here. So I'd like to thank everybody for viewing this tutorial on the second tutorial, by the way, on router information protocol. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and all that. And have a great day.